Millionaires understand the importance of avoiding consumer debt, which can quickly spiral out of control and cause significant financial stress. They also understand the importance of living below their means and investing their money wisely. By following these principles, millionaires are able to build wealth over time and achieve financial security. So in this video, we are going to discuss 10 things millionaires do not spend money on. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Number 10. Low-interest savings accounts. You might not have thought about it, but a low-interest savings account could actually stop you from earning more money. Interestingly, millionaires don't usually put their money into these accounts either. It's a safe place to store your money. You can take it out whenever needed. But it's not the best place to invest if you want your money to grow. There are better alternatives to traditional savings accounts beyond physical banks. Online banks, for example, have high-yield savings accounts that offer a much higher return on your savings over time. This can be a simple and effective way to increase your wealth. So, before you decide to keep all your money in a low-interest savings account, remember that millionaires don't usually use them. Number 9. Entertainment and leisure. Millionaires are mindful of their spending on entertainment and leisure activities. They may choose to invest their free time in productive pursuits, such as spending time with family members or engaging in hobbies that contribute to their overall well-being. This approach allows for a balanced lifestyle while maintaining financial stability. Millionaires are often very busy people, and they know that their time is valuable. They are careful not to waste their time on activities that do not bring them joy or benefit them in some way. They also know that it is important to take care of themselves, both physically and mentally. Spending time with loved ones and engaging in hobbies that they enjoy can help them to relax and de-stress, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. In addition, productive pursuits can help millionaires to stay sharp and engaged. Learning new things, working on creative projects, and helping others can all provide a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. This can help millionaires to feel fulfilled and motivated, which can lead to even greater success in their personal and professional lives. Overall, millionaires are wise to invest their time in activities that are both enjoyable and beneficial. This approach can help them to achieve a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle, while also maintaining their financial security. Number 8. Luxury housing. It is true that some pro athletes and celebrities live in expensive homes, but this is not the case for most millionaires. In fact, many millionaires live in houses worth far less than they can afford. This is because they understand the importance of investing their money in cash-flowing assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Warren Buffett is a perfect example of this. He continues to live in the same 5-bedroom house he purchased in 1958 for $31,500. This is because he understands that it is more important to invest his money wisely than to spend it on a lavish home. Number 7. Groceries and household items. Groceries and household items are areas where millionaires often spend less money compared to the average family. They tend to shop strategically for the best deals and avoid unnecessary expenses in these categories. Comparatively, millionaires often spend less on groceries and household items than the average family. By shopping strategically for the best deals and avoiding unnecessary purchases, they can manage their finances more efficiently. Number 6. Designer clothes. Sometimes, the wealthiest people aren't interested in wasting money on designer clothes and choose more budget-friendly options. You might be wondering, so what do rich people wear? Many wear outfits strictly based on the occasion. This means if they're making an appearance at important events, they may have to look expensive. However, if the occasion doesn't require luxury, they would appear simple and moderate. For example, billionaire Mark Zuckerberg has been seen repeatedly wearing plain t-shirts anyone can buy for around $14. Rather than splurge on high-end brands unnecessarily, he prefers to remain comfortable. Number 5. Late fees. Late fees are one expense the wealthy avoid like the plague. These sneaky costs can eat into your savings and negatively impact your credit score, especially when you're lax about settling your debts on time. It doesn't matter if it's credit card debt, a mortgage, or a student loan, paying on time is key. A great way to avoid this is by setting up automatic payments. Number 4. Impulse purchases. Financial security is a top priority for millionaires. To achieve this, they avoid making impulse purchases. By carefully considering each expense, they can ensure that their spending aligns with their long-term financial goals. At the end of every 3 months, it's a good practice to review your financial situation and analyze your expenses. Without doing this, you could be in the dark about how much money you're spending on impulse buys. Falling prey to buying on impulse is all too easy, particularly if you're accustomed to swiping your credit card before you think about it. It can lure you into purchasing both essentials and stuff you don't really need or that doesn't serve any significant purpose. Number 3. Expensive cars. Although owning a luxury vehicle may be tempting, millionaires often forego purchasing high-priced cars, opting for practicality and reliability instead. This is because they understand that the cost of a luxury car is not just the purchase price. There are also the costs of insurance, maintenance, and repairs to consider. These costs can add up quickly, and they can eat into a millionaire's wealth over time. In addition, millionaires often have other financial priorities, such as investing for retirement or saving for their children's education. They may not see the value in spending a lot of money on a car when they could be using that money to achieve other goals. The book, The Millionaire Next Door, surveyed millionaires and found that most of them drove practical cars like Toyotas and Fords. This is because these cars are reliable and affordable to maintain. Millionaires understand that there is no need to spend a lot of money on a car when there are other ways to save and invest their money. By driving practical cars, millionaires are able to preserve their wealth and maintain a frugal lifestyle. This is one of the many reasons why they are able to become millionaires in the first place. Number 2. Lottery tickets. Lottery tickets may seem like a harmless expense, but they can quickly add up and contribute to consumer debt. Millionaires understand that the odds of winning the lottery are incredibly low and instead choose to invest their money in more stable financial opportunities. Keep in mind that your chance of winning the Powerball is roughly 1 in 292 million. It's a fact that people who make less than $10,000 per year spend, on average, $597 on lottery tickets, 6% of their income. By avoiding lottery tickets, millionaires can maintain their financial situation and avoid the stress of debt. They understand the importance of making wise financial decisions and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Number 1. Credit card debt. Credit card debt is a serious problem in the United States. Americans owe almost $1 trillion on their credit cards, which is a huge amount of money. This debt can lead to high interest rates and damage credit scores. Successful people, such as Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, avoid credit card debt because they understand the importance of maintaining a good credit history. They focus on paying off balances on time to prevent being burdened by debt. There are many reasons why credit card debt is so common in the United States. One reason is that credit cards are very easy to get. Many people are approved for credit cards, even if they have bad credit. This can lead people to spend more money than they can afford, which can result in debt. Another reason why credit card debt is so common is that interest rates on credit cards are very high. This means that people who carry a balance on their credit cards end up paying a lot of interest over time. This can make it difficult to pay off the debt and can even lead to more debt. Credit card debt can have a serious impact on people's financial lives. It can make it difficult to get approved for loans and can even lead to bankruptcy. It is important to avoid credit card debt if possible. If you do have credit card debt, it is important to pay it off as quickly as possible. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.